Guys, you have got to check out these new running boards from Rhino. Now I know what you're thinking, running boards, yeah, I get it, but hear me out. These are not your ordinary running boards. They're all electric and freaking amazing. Picture this. You're getting in and out of your truck or SUV, and these sleek running boards automatically extend and retract as soon as you open and close the door. How cool is that? No more struggling to climb in or stepping onto dirty surfaces. These running boards make life so much easier and more convenient. And when the step is deployed, the integrated LED lights let you see the steps even in the dark. They're made from aluminum, so you don't have to worry about them getting damaged or worn out over time. The aluminum build can hold up to 600 pounds. And with the dual motors, they're designed to handle all kinds of weather conditions, so you can count on them rain or shine. Now that's quality. These running boards are built to last. And they have an anti-slip surface that'll keep you from falling and ending up on one of those fail videos that, let's be real, we all love them. These running boards are electrically powered, but they won't drain your vehicle's battery. They're made to use minimal power so you can enjoy the benefits without any drawbacks. They even have an automatic safe stop so you don't get your foot caught when the step closes. And let's not forget about the style factor. These running boards add a touch of elegance and sophistication to your vehicle. They're streamlined and they blend seamlessly with the overall look. It's like giving your ride an instant upgrade. So if you're interested in the E1 electric running boards by Rhino, or just need help with installation, check out the store locator on the screen or in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next In the Garage. Until then, keep exploring and have fun out there.